was there anyone anywhere who was saying the West Indies would be 3 from 3 and the first team into the Super 8 phase of the World T20, and is now being touted as one of the teams that could lift the trophy? Anyone, anywhere, was saying all these wonderful things about the chances of the West Indies before the tournament. You, a liar then. Not even Darren Sammy, with all his optimism, could have seen this coming. The fact of the matter is that the wickets in the tournament have been fairly good for batting. And the strength of the West Indies team is in the power, quality, and depth of their batting. And with none of the traditional top teams looking overly impressive so far, plus with big tournament bullies, Australia basically exiting the race, I don't think it's hard to see that the West Indies definitely can make this T20 World Champions number 3.